So I need a 1x1 for my collection. And I don't really feel like going out and buying one, so what I'm going to do is make one. I have these dice, erasers actually, but I have a whole bunch of these, and they're about the same size as what a 1x1 would be. So what I'm gonna do is, since this Rubik's Cube is already missing some stickers, I'm just gonna steal stickers from this and put them on here and see how it works. There's a white. Let's grab a yellow. Let's find a red. Hoping these stickers stay pretty well. I'll grab a green. And a blue. There we are. If I'm lucky, then all these stickers will stay on really well. And there it is. A 1x1 Rubik's Cube. I have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll have to work on getting 6, 7, 8, and 9. I do have a 10. And that is that.